Hi, I'm Jim Naroski from Microsoft. Welcome to the Office 365 update for December of 2015. During the next 10 minutes or so, I'll be giving you a quick rundown of the latest Office 365 update news from various Microsoft sources, including the Office blogs and the Office 365 roadmap. So let's get started. In the October update, you heard about how the Office team was optimizing Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote apps for the iPad. With Apple's November 11th release of the iPad Pro, these Office apps showcase the device's functionality as a productivity tablet. The multitasking gesture, Slide Over, lets users open a second Microsoft app without leaving the first one. For example, you can reference notes in OneNote while working on a PowerPoint presentation. With Split View, you can have two apps open and active at the same time. This is handy for copying data from Excel into PowerPoint, for example. These Office apps for the iPad Pro demonstrate Microsoft's intent to deliver the best productivity experience on any platform, homegrown or not. Stay tuned for more features coming soon. In the U.S. alone, there are over 55 million small business employees, entrepreneurs, and mobile business professionals. Mobile workers, me included, are always seeking ways to reduce time and effort spent on administrative chores like reporting mileage and expenses and time tracking. Don't you just love expense reports? On November 5th, Microsoft announced it had acquired Mobile Data Labs, creator of the popular MileIQ app and an innovator in intelligent productivity solutions for business professionals. This acquisition is the latest example of Microsoft's ambition to reinvent productivity and business processes in a mobile-first, cloud-first world. Mobile Data Labs' MileIQ app takes advantage of sensors in modern mobile devices to automatically and contextually capture, log, and calculate business miles. MileIQ boasts over 1 million users and has been the top grossing finance app in the iTunes Store for 20 months straight. This Windows Phone user and road warrior is looking forward to the day when MileIQ is fully integrated into the Microsoft product line. Office 2016 users will soon begin seeing two new PowerPoint tools, Designer and Morph. PowerPoint Designer will enable you to create high-quality professional slides within seconds. Just drop an image into your presentation and Designer provides you with several design ideas. Select a design from the array of professionally designed templates and you're done. This will allow you to spend less time wrestling with the design of the slide and more time to devote to what really matters, your content. Morph creates cinematic motion and animation between related slides. Simply duplicate the slides you want morphed together, move the objects based on how you want them to animate, and click the Morph button. This new transition type gives your slides professional-looking, cinematic animations that add power to your presentations. Available to Office 365 subscribers, PowerPoint Designer and Morph are premium authoring and editing features. They're available first in PowerPoint 2016 for Windows Desktop and Windows Mobile, but expect to see these same features rolling out in other platforms in the coming months. Over 30 million people are now using Outlook on their smartphones and tablets, including me. As announced on October 28th, Outlook for iOS and Android has a fresh new look. In iOS, Outlook displays new event icons in the inbox, making it easy to identify invitations at a glance. And you can respond to the invitation right from there. In addition, the flag and attachment icons are more prominently displayed in the right side of the message list. When composing a new message, the attachment options are simplified and easier to access. Both file and photo attachments are now available with a single click. For Android, Outlook's interface was updated to feel like a more natural part of the Android experience, making it easier for new users to get started and become familiar with Outlook. Now, images of contacts appear on the left side of each email, making it easy to see who sent each item. The calendar agenda view was also redesigned to show more information about your events at a glance. For additional details, read the October 28th entry on the Office blog. We recently introduced the Outlook Group's mobile app, and I'm pleased to inform you that Microsoft just announced availability in 11 languages with more on the way. I'm not sure if you were, but I was feeling a bit confused about the differences between the Outlook Group's app and the Office 365 Group's feature until I read the Office blog post announcing the new language support. It also includes some guidance on these similarly named offerings and some other announcements you might want to learn more about. including Yammer integration. To work effectively, organizations must share information with partners, vendors, and customers. This introduces challenges protecting information traveling beyond the boundary of the corporate network and across many devices outside an organization's control. These realities make it more critical than ever to have solutions that prevent data loss and track information regardless of where it resides. The acquisition of Secure Islands, an innovator in advanced information protection solutions, accelerates Microsoft's ability to help customers secure their business data no matter where it is stored, whether it be on-premises systems, Microsoft Cloud services like Azure and Office 365, third-party services, or on any Windows, iOS, or Android device. With the proliferation of devices and the need to enable worker productivity from any location, it has never been more critical and more challenging for IT to protect the organization's data. I'm pleased to announce that 3 advanced security and compliance offerings are available for purchase starting December 1st. They are Advanced Threat Protection, Customer Lockbox, and Advanced eDiscovery. All of these features will also be available as part of the new Office 365 Enterprise Suite called E5. E5 also includes advanced Skype for Business services for real-time communication, such as Cloud PBX and PSTN conferencing, new analytics features like Power BI Pro, and Delve Organizational Analytics. In past updates, most of my references to Microsoft Graph have been in conjunction with Delve, which uses this technology to help you discover the information that is most interesting to you right now. We announced in mid-November that we are making the same Microsoft Graph technology that allowed us to develop Delve available to developers worldwide. Because the Microsoft Graph has access to your activities, it can be used to address critical productivity questions like who a user works closely with, what documents are important to my colleagues at this moment, and the one I'm most keenly interested in, what matters most to my boss. There are a whole bunch of very interesting productivity scenarios this technology unlocks, and companies like Do.com, Sky High Networks, and others are already using them to transform their industries. The November 18th blog post is a great place to learn more. That's all we have time for today. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this video, so feel free to contact me directly via the email listed on the screen. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you again next month.